Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to add contact photo in iPhone. So if at the end of this you find this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open the phone app, click on contact. Then if your contact page shows something like this, go ahead and select where the contact is located. Then search for the contact you want to use photo contact on your iPhone. Then click on edit at the top right. Click on add photo. You can either select poster or select avatar. Go ahead and click on photo. Select camera or library. Then select all. Now scroll down and select the photo you want to set for this particular contact. So just scroll down the page. Now hang on for this to upload to your contact page. Then you should see suggestions of the photo. Click on crop to adjust the photo. Click on check mark at the top right. Click on choose at the top right. Then if you choose poster, then you should see how the photo is going to look like. Click on check mark. Then you should see contact avatar. Click on done. And then this is how it's going to look. Click on check mark at top right again. Then you should have the contact photo like this. And then you are good. So that's exactly how to add contact photo in iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.